let's go over the sample test for Chapter 12. Okay, we're supposed to choose the voter using this preference table by plurality, and that would be the most first place votes. So let's just look at how many each one has. A has 3 plus 4 is 7. B has 14. C has 6. And D has 18. So D is the winner. And here I've shown my work. Okay, runoff. Let me show my work. Let's see, runoff. I would take the top two, so B and D have the most votes. And so D gets the 18. B gets 14. Here, B beats D, so B gets the 6. And here, B beats D, so B gets 4. And here, B beats D, they get 3. So we've got 27 to 18, so B is the winner. And I've showed my work. Border count. This takes a little bit longer. So in the border count system here, let's see, A would get 1, 2, 3 times 18 plus A would get 1, 2 times 14 plus 6 times 1, 1 times 6 plus 4 times 4 plus 4 times 3. So 3 times 18 is 54 plus 28 plus 6 plus 16 plus 12. So this is 12 and 28 is 40, 56, 62, 66, 116, if I've done my math right. All right, now let's do B. B gets 1 times 18, and B gets 4 times 14, and B gets 3 times 6, and B gets 2 times 4, and B gets 3 times 3. So that's 18 plus C, 4, 6, 18, carry the 1, 56 plus 18 plus 8 plus 9. 8 and 9 is 17, and 18 is 35, 80, 91, 99, 109. Okay, C. 2 times 18 plus 3 times 14 plus 4 times 6 plus 3 times 4 plus 3 times 1. So 36, 42, 24, 12 plus 3. See, that's 36 and 24 is 60, 102, 114, 117. And D, finally. D's got 4 times 18 plus 1 times 14 plus 2 times 6 plus 1 times 4 plus 2 times 3. So 4 times 8 is 32, 372, plus 14, plus 12, plus 4, plus 6, 10, 22, 26, 36, 108. And so that means C is the board account, and I've showed my work. Okay, pairwise. So pairwise, let's just start with A compared to D, or B. So A gets A compared to D, D gets B, A and B. So A gets the 18, B gets the 14, B to A, B beats A, so that's 6, A beats 4, and A wins there 3, so that's 7, 25 to 20. So there's 45 votes. So now I only have to count one side and then subtract from 45 for the other side, but we'll continue on. So A's a winner, so let's try A against C. A beats C, 18. C beats A, 14. C beats A, 6. I'm doing both sides here. And then A gets the 4 and A gets the 3. So now I have 25 to 20 again. So A is a winner. All right, let's try A versus D. D wins 18. A wins 14. D wins 6. A wins 4. And A wins 3. So this one is 14, 18, 21. And this is 24. Did I do that right? Let me check that here. D gets the 18. A gets the 14. D gets the 6. A gets the 4 and 3. Yes. So A isn't a Condorcet winner. D wins this one. So now we have to take D and compare it to the other one. So how about D versus B? So D gets 18. B gets 14. B gets the 6. B gets the 4. And B gets the 3. So B wins over D. And so it's looked like we don't have a pairwise winner. Let's go one more time here. D with C, because A wins 2, D wins 1, B wins 1. Let's see what D does here with C. D gets 18. C gets 14. C over D is, show this here. C beats D, so that's 6. C beats D, that's 4. And D beats C, 3. So that's 24 to 21. So C wins. So but C loses here. So it looks like there's no clear pairwise winner. There's no winner that beats all the others, so none. No winner. Okay. So let's do sequential runoff. So who should we drop out first? Well, based on this, C had the lowest, so we're going to drop out C first. So remove all the C's. And when we do that, the only one that changes, C's 6 will go to B. So B will pick up 6, and so now B has 20. And next one we would drop out would be, so since C's out, A would drop out. So we throw out A. And now we look at what's left. And so we have D with, it becomes down to D having 18. Well, we did D and B already here, and B is the winner. So in a sequential runoff, the second candidate to be dropped was, first was C, then was A. So this answer is A. And which candidate was the loser in the final runoff? So B won in the final runoff. D was the last one, the loser in the final runoff. B is the winner. Okay? Oop, can't see that what I wrote there. So the second one to drop out was A. The final winner was D, and the overall, or the final loser was D, and B is the winner. Okay, so now we got to look at the fairness criteria. Criteria 1 says if there's a majority winner, they should be the winner in all elections. So when we go to here, we see that no one had more than half of 45 votes. That would be 22.5. No one had over that. So fairness criteria 1 does not apply in any of these. Fairness criteria 2 says if there's a Condorcet winner, a pairwise winner, it should elect it should be the candidate that wins. Well, since there's no pairwise winner, this one does not apply. Now, if there was a pairwise winner and one of these didn't pick the same one, then it would violate criterion 2. Criterion 3, I believe, is when winner gets more votes, will they still be the winner? Still wins. Okay, so if D was the winner by plurality, and if D got more votes, moved up someplace, they would all that could happen is they get more votes, and so plurality always is okay. So plurality is okay. How about the point system? So in the point system, C had the most, and if they moved up, they would get more points. So the Borda is okay. point system is okay. And there's no pairwise winner, so that's not gonna, it does not apply. And then the sequential runoff, oh, I missed the runoff. So the runoff winner was B. So if we move B up in any of these races, would B still be the runoff one? And so it would, since it was B against D, and if you move B up at all, they would still be the runoff ones, and so it's okay. So and finally, in the sequential runoff, B was the winner. If you move somebody up, could we get somebody else to knock out B and then be the winner? And so if we moved B, the winner, up here, then C would still be I dropped out early. If we move up B here on the A's, it would still be B versus D, and so it's sequential runoff is okay. So nothing violates criteria 3. And criterion 4 was if a loser drops out, somebody that isn't a winner will the winner still win? So in plurality, if a loser drops out, it'll still be B versus D. Even if we move, if C drops out, B gets more votes, and B would have, if C dropped it, right now D wins, because it's D against B. But if C drops out, then it becomes D against B, but B would pick up 6 votes and B would win. So the plurality doesn't match. Plurality violates. If C drops, then B wins instead of D instead of D. In the runoff, the plurality is violated because if we C drops, B picks up more first place votes and would win by plurality. In a runoff, if C drops out, B still wins. So if we, in a runoff, it's B versus D, and B will win that one when all the other ones are out. So that one is not violated. And then when we got to look at board account, that one, if C's got the most points, and if someone drops out, would C still have the most points? If someone drops out that's got points above C someplace, C's going to get more points and more points and points. So board account's not going to change. So it's okay. And the sequential runoff, B's a winner, and that's what would happen if somebody dropped out. So the sequential runoff is okay. Okay, now we're to 3. If a table gives the shareholders companies these percentages, this is how much each shareholder has 27%, 11%, 24, 28. Who has the meaningless vote? Well, it turns out Bridget is meaningless because even if Bridget had Avery working with him or Emily or Karen, Bridget and one other person would not have a majority. 11 plus 28 is 39%. So Bridget can't pair with anybody and be a majority. It has to pair with 2, but any 2 by themselves can go get the majority of the other ones. Avery with Karen, or Avery with Emily, or Karen with Emily, they would all have the majority by themselves, so they don't care whether Bridget follows them or not. So meaningless because any other pair would make a majority. So they don't need Bridget. Okay. All right.